Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some Grandmacore meets Modern Home Decor Inspiration. Let's start the video. Grandmacore meets modern is an interior decorating style that combines the warm, nostalgic charm of Grandmacore with the clean, practical look of modern design. It keeps traditional elements such as floral patterns, vintage furniture, crochet, quilts, lace, ceramics, and antique-inspired accessories, but balances them with modern colors, simple layouts, contemporary lighting, and uncluttered spaces. Key characteristics: vintage textiles use floral curtains, embroidered cushions, quilts, crochet throws, and knitted pages. Use traditional furniture like wooden cabinets, vintage chairs, antique-style tables, and curved furniture. Modern simplicity. Keep the room organized and avoid excessive decoration. Use soft color palette like cream, beige, shades cream, dusty blue, muted pink, and warm brown work beautifully. Use old plus new accessories, mix vintage vases, ceramic dishes, and framed artwork with sleek modern lamps or simple decor. Contemporary lighting. Use modern pendant lights, minimalist lamps, or simple wall sconces to update the traditional atmosphere. Use natural elements like fresh flowers, houseplants, wicker baskets, and natural wood add warmth. Handmade touches like crochet blankets, embroidered peaches, handmade cushions, and patchwork details give it a personal feel. The overall effect is cozy, nostalgic, feminine, and homey, but not old-fashioned. Think of it as grandma's comforting home, redesigned it with a modern eye. Tips for Grandmacore meets modern decor. First, mix vintage and modern furniture. Pair an antique wooden cabinet with a simple modern sofa or contemporary chairs. This creates a balanced old meets new look. Use a soft, warm color palette. Use cream, ivory, beige, shades green, dusty blue, and muted pink as your main colors. Add floral patterns carefully. Use floral curtains, cushions, or wallpaper. Can bring classic Grandmacore charm. Keep the rest of the room simple so it does not feel overwhelming. Use crochet and knitted pages. Add a crochet blanket, knitted cushions, or handmade table runner for a cozy, nostalgic touch. Display with the ceramics. Place old-fashioned cups, ceramic vases, plates, or bowls on open shelves or a modern console. Keep the layout uncluttered. Grandmacore can include many decorative objects, but modern designs works best with breathing space. Choose a few meaningful pieces in a state of filling everything surface. Bring in natural wood, like wooden tables, shelves, cabinets, and picture frames, and formed and connected the vintage and modern sides of the style. Use modern lighting with vintage decor. A contemporary pendant light or minimalist lamp can beautifully contrast with antique furniture and floral textiles. Decorate with fresh flowers. Put seasonal flowers in vintage-style vases, ceramic jugs, or simple glass bottles for an effortless cottage-like feeling. Combine old artwork with simple walls, hang vintage botanical prints, landscapes, or family-style portraits on clean, lightly colored walls. Choose curtains with character. Try small floral, gingham, lace trimmed or embroidered curtains, while keeping the window area visually neat. Use baskets for practical storage. Wicker and rattan baskets provide the traditional handmade feeling, while keeping the space organized. Create a cozy reading corner. Add a comfortable armchair, a crochet throw, a small side table, and a modern floor lamp. Mix antique details with modern hardware. For example, use a vintage wooden dresser with sleek contemporary handles or modern teakwood placed on top. Late, handmade pieces stand out. Crochet, embroidery, patchwork, pottery, and handmade artwork can become the heart of the room. Avoid making everything look antique. The modern part is important. Combine vintage pieces with clean lines, contemporary materials, and simple furniture. Use mirrors to brighten the room. A vintage-inspired mirror can add character, while each placement can help a small room feel larger and brighter. Add a little gingham or teakwood fabrics. Use it on one or two cushions, a tablecloth, or a small curtain for a nostalgic country touch. Create a crafted display shelf. Arrange a few books, ceramics, framed photos, flowers, and honor two vintage treasures rather than creating a crowded collection. Focus on comfort first. The best Grandmacore meets modern rooms should feel warm and lived in, while still looking fresh, organized, and contemporary. Use vintage-inspired wallpaper. Choose delicate floral, botanical, or small-scale patterns, and use them on an accent wall rather than covering the entire room. Add a modern sofa with vintage cushions. A simple contemporary sofa becomes much warmer when decorated with floral, embroidered, or crocheted cushions. Display books as decoration. Stack old-looking books on a coffee table or shelf to create a cozy, intellectual Grandmacore atmosphere. Choose antique-style picture frames. Mix ornate vintage frames with simple modern artwork to create an interesting contrast. Add a vintage clock. A classic wall clock can become a charming focal point without making the room feel outdated. Use linen and cotton fabrics. Natural fabrics such as linen, cotton, and soft muslin bring a relaxed, traditional feeling while remaining modern. Try a modern farmhouse table. A simple wooden dining table can provide the perfect foundation for vintage dishes, floral arrangements, and embroidered table linens. Decorate with old-fashioned kitchenware. Display ceramic pitchers, teacups, enamel containers, or decorative platters on open shelves. Use glass front cabinets. A contemporary cabinet with glass door can showcase vintage crockery while keeping the overall look organized. Add brush or edged metal details. Small brass handles, frames, candle holders, or lamps can introduce an elegant vintage touch. Layer different textures. Combine smooth modern furniture with chunky crochet, soft quartz, linen, oud, wicker, and ceramics. Use vintage rugs strategically. A faded floral, Persian-inspired, or traditional rug can instantly add warmth to a modern room. Keep modern technology discreet. Hide cables and bulky electronics so they don't compete with a cozy vintage atmosphere. Create a nostalgic bedroom. Use Creep's modern bedding with the vintage quilt folded at the end of the bed for a beautiful old and new combination. Add a quilt as wall art instead of adding a beautiful handmade quilt and a closet. Display it on a wall as a decorative feature. Use modern shelving for vintage collections. Simple floating shelves can provide a contemporary backdrop for old ceramics, books, framed photos, and small collectibles. Bring in rattan and wicker baskets, chairs, trays, and storage spaces and handmade warmth without making the space overly traditional. Two simple winter treatments can lightweight modern curtains with small floral or lace details for a subtle Grandmacore effect. Use candles for atmosphere. Place candles in ceramics, glass, or brass holders to create a warm and nostalgic evening mood. Don't be afraid of imperfections. Slightly own oud, handmade pottery, vintage fabrics, and imperfect finishes make the space feel authentic and lived in. Create a small tea station. Arrange a modern tray with vintage teacups, a ceramic teapot, flowers, and a few favorite books. Mix different eras carefully. On Victorian-inspired chair, a mint-scented table, and a contemporary lamp can work beautifully when they share similar colors. Use mirrors to balance darker vintage pieces. A mirror can reflect light and prevent wooden furniture or darker fabrics from making the room feel heavy. Add personal memories like handmade crafts, inherited objects, or sentimental accessories. Make the space feel genuinely personal. Follow the less but meaningful rule. Choose vintage pieces that you truly love and surround them with clean modern elements. This keeps Grandmacore meets modern cozy rather than cluttered. Use a vintage-inspired headboard. Choose a carved wooden, upholstered, or spindle-style headboard and pair it with clean modern bedding. Add embroidered details. Embroidered cushions, napkins, runners, and wall art can introduce delicate handmade character. Create a cozy window set. Add a simple bench with a quiet cushion and a few floral pillows for a charming reading or relaxing spot. Use pedestal tables. A small traditional pedestal table can bring classic character while keeping the room visually simple. Try mismatched dining chairs. Combine a few vintage-style chairs with simple contemporary ones for a collected, relaxed appearance. Decorate with botanical prints. Pressed flowers, botanical illustrations, and herb prints work especially well with the Grandmacore aesthetic. Add a modern fireplace surround. If you have a fireplace, combine a clean contemporary surround with a vintage artwork, ceramics, or a traditional mirror. Choose classic shapes. Look for furniture with rounded edged, turned legs, arch details, or simple traditional silhouettes. Keep countertops visually calm. In the kitchen, display only a few beautiful vintage items, while keeping appliances and everyday clutter organized. Add open kitchen shelving. Use simple shelves to display vintage platters, cups, glass jars, cookbooks, and small plants. Mix modern cabinets with vintage accessories. Clean, lined cabinetry can be softened with antique-style handles, ceramic containers, and floral textiles. Use a vintage dresser as a modern vanity. Repurpose an old wooden dresser with a contemporary mirror and modern lighting. Add soft ambient lighting like table lamps, wall sconces, and warm toned bulbs. Make vintage textures feel especially inviting. Use on-statement attic bed. A beautiful old cabinet, mirror, chairs, or chest can become the focal point without filling the entire room with antiques. And that brings us to the end of our Grandmacore meets modern decorating ideas. By combining nostalgic patterns, vintage-inspired furniture, handmade textures, and cozy details with clean blinds and modern simplicity, you can create a home that feels both timeless and fresh. Remember, you don't need to completely transform your space. Even a few thoughtful touches, like a crochet throw, floral cushion, vintage ceramic, or modern lamp, can beautifully bring the two styles together. I hope these ideas inspired you to create a home filled with warmth, personality, and modern comfort. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.